Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to explore on how to fix Amazon account which is on hold. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our Amazon account. Alright, and once you have done that, go to the left part of your dashboard. This may different from yours, but right now what I'm seeing is, as you can see, there's an option for me to check on all. All right, now all I'm gonna do is check on the customer service. All right, you have to check on the customer service right here. It should appear just below your account. Okay, now after doing so, click on that. You will be directed here. Okay, now at the Amazon customer service, all right, you have to specify your problems about recovering your Amazon account which is on hold. You want to fix it. So if you're not sure on where to check on this option, just gonna click on something else right here, and you will be directed to a new page wherein you have to check which corresponds to your situation, which could be the I need more help option. Click on that. Okay, so when you click on it, there's a new window that will pop up. All right, here it's a chat bot for you that will help you navigate through your issues. Okay, as you click on it, all right, they will be more than glad to help you. All right, gonna click on something else right here. All right, or simply, if you are having problems, contacting the Amazon chatbot, click on nevermind. All right, if it's not working for you, you can simply go to the help center page wherein they give you a helpful guideline on how to regain access to an account on hold, because your account will be put on hold when an unusual payment activity is observed in your account. Now, to regain access to your Amazon account, simply you need to check your email or text messages for an account on hold, notification from Amazon, and of course, you need to sign into your Amazon account, complete the form, and include necessary attachments. But please note, you will receive email or text messages from Amazon with instructions on pending orders when your account is on hold, and also your access to all Amazon services will also be placed on hold while your account is on hold. All right, now the restriction includes digital services such as Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, and Kindle, and devices like Alexa and Ring. And the fastest ways to unlock your account is to submit the requested details yourself through the secure sign-in portal, and the customer service team can guide you in this process, but they will ask you to follow the same instruction first. And again, you can also contact the Amazon's phone number. All right, and here is how to reach Amazon's customer service phone line. Just gotta call these numbers right here: 1-888-280-4331. And for more help, again, you're gonna need to visit the customer service help, which is the chatbot that I've shown you earlier. And yeah, that concludes our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.